Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to effectively study for economics. To truly excel, start by gaining a deep understanding of your syllabus and the examination structure. This foundational step ensures you know exactly what to focus on. Next, commit to consistent daily study, even if it's just for 20 to 30 minutes. Breaking down large topics into smaller, digestible segments will make learning less overwhelming and more effective, helping you build knowledge steadily over time. Achieving conceptual clarity is paramount in economics. Instead of rote memorization, strive to understand the why behind each theory and principle. Connect these concepts to current events or everyday scenarios. This makes them more relatable and easier to remember. Develop your own brief notes and visual aids like flowcharts, which are excellent for quick revision. Engaging in group discussions or asking questions in class will also solidify your understanding and address any uncertainties. Consistent practice is crucial for success in economics. Dedicate time to solving a wide range of numerical problems, as these often carry significant weight. Master the art of drawing and labeling economic diagrams precisely, as they are vital for illustrating concepts. Regularly work through past examination papers. This familiarizes you with common question formats and helps manage your time effectively during tests. Applying your theoretical knowledge to practical case studies will also enhance your problem-solving skills. For optimal performance, implement effective revision strategies. Aim to review all your course material at least 3 times before your examinations to ensure thorough recall. Pinpoint your weaker topics early on and dedicate extra time to strengthening them. Flashcards can be incredibly useful for quickly memorizing essential economic terms and definitions. Finally, remember to maintain a positive attitude and manage any study-related stress. A calm and focused mind is your best asset for achieving excellent results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.